So before joining the program, my A1C in September of this year, it was 9.3, and 100 and some odd days later, it's down to 6.2. I'm amazed that in like 112 days, I went from 9.3 to 6.2. I weighed 215 pounds. Today, I weigh 177.6 pounds. So that is 37 pounds, 37 and a half pounds in just over 3 months. I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes about 10 years ago, and it's not really something I wanted to hear. I didn't pay too much attention to it because, well, it wasn't affecting me. I didn't have any symptoms. I buried my head in the sand and just went about my business. And that they wanted to put me on some meds, and I said, no, I can take care of it. And so things went along from there and got worse. 5 or 6 years ago, I started noticing some symptoms, had a little tingling in my legs. I always had feeling, never lost feeling in my feet or anything like that, but I noticed things, a little discoloration in my legs as well sometimes. And if I bumped into something, it took longer to heal. So things like that. And then about 2017 or 18, I noticed in my relationship that I started to have some issues, well, to be frank, erectile dysfunction. And I looked it up and saw that it is a result of unchecked blood glucose being really high. So it's something that I dealt with. And at first I thought it was sort of just all in my mind. My head was getting in the way. Then I realized that it's physical. I realized I needed to do something because I was being affected by the high blood sugar. One day about 5 years ago, I saw Robbie on YouTube and I thought that looks interesting. So I looked at a video, I looked at another video, started looking at a lot of videos, went and bought the book and started using the book. And I started getting some results, but then I decided I needed more. So I saw the coaching program and I went ahead and joined the coaching program. Thankfully, it really helped me with the accountability. One of the first things I noticed within a couple of days is the weight just starts coming off. That's really the first thing I noticed. I didn't notice any feeling any differently. I just noticed that when I got on the scale, oh, there's 2 pounds again, and it's only been a day. It comes off pretty quickly. That's the first thing that I noticed. I did notice pretty quickly that I didn't have as much brain fog. I was more active. I wanted to get up and move more. Those are things that I first started to notice. I do notice that I'm more inclined to get up and move than I used to be. I've been a pretty sedentary man for a long time, and that's sort of been the habit. It's sort of been what I do. And so I feel more inclined to get up and move because I'm thinking about the fact that after you eat, if you move within 15 minutes and get up and move your muscles, then some of that glucose that's in your blood is going to go right to the muscles because that's where it's needed, as opposed to having to get processed and sent to the cells by the insulin. So before joining the program, my A1C in September of this year, it was 9.3, and 100 and some odd days later, it's down to 6.2. I'm amazed that in like 112 days, I went from 9.3 to 6.2. I weighed 215 pounds. I'm 5'11, I weighed 215. And today I weigh 177.6 pounds. So that is 37 pounds, 37 and a half pounds in just over 3 months. All you have to do is keep following the program and the weight just falls off. My fasting glucose was about 240 or so. This week, I've been as low as 85. I really enjoy the fact that I can have as much fruit as I want. Every morning, I cut up some greens, either romaine lettuce and spinach or just spinach or some other greens, and I put them in a bowl. Then every piece of fruit that I have in the house, I chop up and put in there with some dates. And I even take a grapefruit and I juice that and use all the pulp from that in there. And that's my dressing for it. And every morning I have a big bowl of fruit for breakfast. For lunch, I make a salad or I steam some vegetables. I have some brown rice. I never feel limited on food because I can eat whatever I want. However, you want to make sure that it's in the range of the green light, yellow light foods that are listed in Mastering Diabetes. There's so many foods I can eat. I've always loved vegetables, so there's not really a vegetable that I'm eating again that I didn't like before, but there's so many options and I'm always full. What I really love about the program is we use Cronometer, and every day as I'm eating the breakfast that I made, the big fruit bowl, I will plan my lunch. I'll put in just whatever food I think that I want to eat for lunch that I've got available, and then I check the macros on that and see where that takes me for the day, and then I'll plan dinner. So I plan the rest of the day during breakfast, and then at the end of the day, you see what you did that day, whether you're 10-80-10 or however close you were, and then the next day you post it on to this chat group that we have. That's the accountability part that I really like. It's about progress, not perfection. I mean, it sounds cliche, but we do say that all the time. Even if you do fall off for a day and do something that you shouldn't have, you're still better off than you were yesterday or when you first started the program because you're moving forward. The structure of the program gives me certainty for what I'm doing. If you believe in the program and commit to the program, it sounds like a brainwash thing. It is not. Follow the details that they've set out for you. They've even got a menu for the first 6 weeks that you can follow. They've laid it out for you. You don't have to think. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to think. You just follow the plan and it works. It works. Your body fixes itself based on the food that you eat. I wish I would have had this information 10 years ago when I was first diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, because I could have saved myself a lot of issues that have arisen over the last 10 years. If I'd have known how easy it is to fix this, I would have done it then. So if we can get this information out to more people, it'll save lives and save money on medical costs. Mastering diabetes has really given me an extension of my life. I've never wanted to be a burden to either society or my children as I got older. I want to make sure that I'm self-sufficient and mobile, able to do for myself. And of course, I'm 64 now, but as things progress, I'm going to get older, obviously, but I'm going to be in much better shape to be able to handle that. I'm really looking forward to living a full life as long as I can live it, living vitally, living to continue doing the things that I love to do. I'm going to be able to now that I've got a new lease. When I told my daughter what I was doing, she's 25, and she recently lost some weight using Dr. Furman's program. And I told her I was in a coaching program that cost me some money, not that much. But she said, Dad, it's the best investment you can make in yourself. And so I would say, invest in yourself, invest the time, invest the money, and find yourself again.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.